Manifestation is a power of your subconscious mind. But according to the neuroscience, manifestation helps you to focus on your intention and your put your opinions confidently. कर्मण्येवादी करस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन.
Never to the fruits of your action. Hi! Does manifestation really work to get desired career, success or money? Most of the people don't know about manifestation, the logic and science behind it, and they are just following the rat race. But don't worry. In this video, I'll explain you in an easy way how you can manifest your desires and how does it actually work. But before that, let me introduce myself. Hey, I am Amita and welcome back to my channel HR Divine World, where I talk about career, motivation and HR profession. So if you like my video and if you resonate with it, please do like, share, subscribe and leave a comment below, and don't forget to share your feedback. So first we will discuss what is manifestation and how does it actually work. So manifestation is a power of your subconscious mind, power of your desires, power of your will to get something. While manifestation does not directly cause events or bring things into an existence, but according to the neuroscience, manifestation helps you to focus on your intention and your goals clearly, which can rewire your brain. For a successful manifestation, you must have that not giving up attitude no matter what. If no one is supporting you, support yourself. If no one is there for you, just be there for yourself. If no one is clapping for you, clap for yourself. Let's make it easy. For an example, if I truly want to buy a house in the city of Bangalore, or I really want to start my startup over there, it could be Bangalore or any other city, you can name it, but I'm just giving an example. This is my desire and I truly want it, and I'm 100% sure about it with zero doubt. Now this information will store in my subconscious mind, and now my subconscious mind will start showing me all the events, patterns, ideas related to that particular city. You may also meet people randomly belongs to that particular city, and it's not magic. When you truly want something and you truly desire, your subconscious mind start noticing all those patterns. It starts showing you all those events, all those patterns, all those things, even if you are not thinking about it. And that's what manifestation is all about. The main important question is, does it really work? Yes, it does. And not only your manifestation, your hard work works, your patience works, your effort works. Everything works out when you truly want something. When you start putting in right efforts, everything works out. When you start taking tiny steps towards it, when you don't know about anything. Now we will discuss how we can do the successful manifestation. So for a successful manifestation, first you have to be very clear about your goals, what you exactly want, one desire at one time. You have to do journaling, you have to write your thoughts on paper, because when you write your thoughts, your desires on paper, it helps you and your brain to connect better with it, and you get a clear picture of your desires, of your goals, what you exactly want. So try to start journaling and writing your thoughts on paper. How you can do it, I can explain you that as well, but not in this video. I'll create a separate video on this topic if you want. You have to be consistent, you have to keep showing up even everything is falling apart. When nothing seems right, you have to believe in yourself, and trust me, your hard work never goes to waste. It will come to you sooner or later. The most important thing, don't chase the result. Don't try to control the things. Don't chase the outcomes. Just do your best. Rest, leave it to the God. To the God, to anything, but just leave it. Do what is in your hands. Rest, leave it. It is also mentioned in our Bhagavad Gita in a beautiful way. Karam kar, karmo ke phal ki chinta nahi. कर्मण्येवादी करस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. You have the right to perform your duty, but never to the fruits of your action. So just do what is in your hands. And trust me, when you look back at yourself, you will be very proud. And that time you will feel it was worth to wait. Have that faith and keep believing in yourself. Om Namah Shivaya.